What's up, people? How are you? Welcome to the channel once again. I wanted to do a unboxing of one of the products which I had bought during Thanksgiving almost like a week back. So it finally came today. There were a bunch of products which I had ordered because of the high Thanksgiving orders which went across the country. It took some time for it to arrive, but finally I have my hands on a few items. A few of them are still in shipping. So let's do the first one, which is I don't know why they gave like such a big box, but it is one of the few items which people don't quite give a lot of importance to, or think it is necessary to have one in their house or in their tool kit, or they might not need it. It is not a tool, not a screwdriver or anything of that sort, but it is one of the batteries. It is one of the button batteries, they would call it, like a so this one is the CR2032 battery, which is used in most of these small remotes like these, your car keys, right? It's used in this. It's also used in a few remotes for your TV or for your, this is for one of my sound bars. So it's used in a sound bar. It's used in small little what do you call these Bluetooth remotes, and this one I'm also using for this. So I just thought that I will need these in the near future because it's been a while that I've not replaced one of these batteries, so I'll just show you let's open this and let's crack this up. You can use a key to open the compartment of this particular. So this is a Honda car key, and most of the keychains, these car remotes, they use the same battery, which is CR2032, and you can definitely make use of this key, so, or any other key. In fact, even this one which comes out from this remote. So all you have to do is just pop it right inside this gap and then just turn it sideways, and then you'll hear this cracking sound, but don't worry, it's not going to break. And then there you go. So once this thing opens up, and there you'll be able to see the CR2032 battery inside. When your remote doesn't work, right, what most people do is go to their car dealerships and they end up giving like 50 bucks, I don't know, maybe 25, 30, 40, 50, maybe 100 bucks to replace these batteries. And these car dealerships, sometimes, I don't know how much they are charging. I've never gone there. But a lot of old people who are unaware of these things, they might try to take advantage of these, elder people who might not know. So I felt, why not? Let's put this out, let people know. I'm sure most of you guys, if you're watching YouTube, probably you're aware of these small little handy stuff that you can keep it at your disposal and then make use of it, save some money. But if you know somebody who doesn't know, you can always suggest this video. Perfect way to share this video. You can like this video, comment on the video, please, or subscribe to my channel. So this battery, I have not replaced this battery. So yeah, as you can tell, it's this battery, you can just remove it. These are the battery locking systems on these two sides. So all you have to do is just push them back a little and it'll pop out. And then for some reason I don't have the right tool, but anyways, you got the idea. So you remove that, and finally we're going to do the unboxing of this bad boy, and let's see what's in the box. So this was apparently Berlin, Germany product, LiCB. I'm going to drop the link in the description. And what was the price on this? I think it was a very, very good price. At the time when I got this, it was $4.99, which is like $5. Now, Amazon choice item, and now it's $5.99. Maybe it was a Thanksgiving deal which is going on, which is just $1 off. But even for $6, and it's a 10-pack. It's a 10-pack for $6. It's 60 cents a piece. Not, I think, a perfect price. And here they are, right? So 5 and 5, 3 volts each. As you can see, it can be used. I don't know if you can see this, but yes, it can be used for your watches, your calculators, for your camera. It's a lithium battery, and it's best before. They give you like an expiration date, which is over here says 2024 by October, right? So yeah, so I think it's a pretty good buy. One should definitely have these, and for perfect, if you have like a family, you have two cars, that means 4 remotes. These remotes, sometimes the battery wears out pretty fast. You can keep this at home, replace it in your batteries, in your remotes, your TV remotes, or your Bluetooth remote controls or whatever. So yeah, I just thought I'll do an unboxing of this. Why not? Peace out.